Hello guys! So try natin sagutan itong questions natin for our CSA review for today. So first, multiply 4 over 5 by 3 over 7. So sulat muna natin sila. So ngayon, paano ba tayo nagmumultiply ng dalawang fraction? So, simple lang yung kailangan yung tandaan dito. Imumultiply nyo yung numerator sa numerator and also yung denominator sa denominator. Okay? So by that, we have 4 times 3. That is 12 over 5 times 7, yung denominator naman, that is 35. So ngayon, meron na tayong 12 over 35. So ang kailangan nyong gawin dito, syempre, lagi nyong isi-simplify yung sagot nyo. Pero since yung ating sagot ngayon na 12 over 35 is already in simplest form. So hindi na natin siya ma-simplify pa. So ito na yung ating sagot sa question na ito. So letter A tayo. Okay? So for our next question, multiply 1/3 by 7 over 8. So, una, list muna natin sila. And then, same lang din yung gagawin natin. Mumultiply natin numerator sa numerator, denominator sa denominator, and then simplify kung kaya pang isimplify. So, we have 1 times 7, that gives us 7 over yung denominator, 3 times 8, that is 24. So, since hindi na natin masisimplify yung 7 over 24, ito na yung ating sagot for this question. So, letter A. So, that's it for our review for today, and I hope may natutunan kayo.